Hi, Delta Hack today will show how to assemble a randomizer using simple electronic components based on a printed circuit board, scheme and board template you can download here. Let's go! Image shows a diagram of the device. First, we need a PCB. This time we use the PCBWAY series. We upload the file with our project to the site and after 5 days we get the boards we need. Our boards came safe and sound. For convenience, we put the entire name on the components on the board. Assembling the device has become easier. On the screen you can see all of the names and the number of components that we will need for the project. First of all, I decided to solder the LEDs. It is very important to observe the polarity of the diodes. This is clearly visible on your screens. Observe the cleanness of all components and install them in the right way. I recommend buying 1 to 2 units more in order to replace if they fail. At the last stage, solder the 9V battery socket. The device is ready. This device allows you to arbitrarily select a number from 0 to 10. You can organize a game of roulette by a large company, also used in other random games. Have fun with Delta Hack and subscribe to the channel. Good luck!